Okay, so what's up, YouTube? This is To The Angel, and today I'm gonna show you something will really change your experience of VRChat world creating. Okay, so basically your editor looks like this, right? This is your like default editor. You might don't have Pro Builder, but I have it, and you have inspector, and you have occlusion, sliding, SDKs and shit. You maybe have a console and an animation here, and this is your hierarchy. Basically, it looks like shit, and there's a lot of things you have to find them. As for example, you want to find a reflection probe, and you want to edit it. You have to click this fucking button, and then you drag it. Yeah. Basically, it looks like it's so hard to use. I have to say, Unity editor sucks. Okay, this is your Unity editor looks, but this is my Unity editor looks like. Okay, it's like generally it's two different things. All right, so let me explain to you one by one, very quickly. What are them? Okay, this one. So let's talk about Angel panel. This is the core thing. Uh, we have a homepage. We have a debug. The homepage. We have a polycount window. Basically, it will show you like how many polys you have selected or the total. You can set as advanced mode, which is like you can drag out. You can drag out as a standalone page, and you can check the. You can set a lot of things. You can set threshold colors and the size and shit, and then you turn back to simple, and then you just maybe put it like right here, which will help you a lot. And then we have a quick ops, which we have selection ready, including children. It will show you like how many things you have and colliders and shit. Like if you choose a lot of things, it will tell you how many colliders you got. You can just count colliders or remove them or add box collider to everyone or mesh collider or convex mesh colliders. And then the scripts cleanup, it will tell you how many missing scripts you have and you can remove them or remove all the mono behaviors because like sometimes if you use a Unity package from other places and VRChat doesn't allow any things like not U sharp. So you can remove them, and also you can remove the LD groups and keep the highest like LD0. And we have the debug page, which you can scan. It will tell you like you have missing scripts, you have renders and shit, the Udon behavior, the VRChat pickups, the object things, and we have the shader buckets. It will tell you how many shaders we use on any things, and we have event audit. It will tell you like how many dangerous events you are using in your codes. If you are if you're a coder, then you need this a lot. Like you can scan runtime events and the shader page. So for a lot of times, if you want to make a world for Quest, both Quest and Windows, you cannot use standard shaders. It will fuck your Quest up. So at this time, you have to use some shaders which are Quest like enabled. So I have a lot of shaders for you ready to choose. You can choose for me. You can download a lot of shits. Like I recommend you filament it because like it's VRCLV, Mono SH, SHRM all supported, and I will tell you what are them. You can choose like what you want to use. And sometimes if I'm not sure if it's like compatible with Mono SH, I will type a question here. So you can get the repo, you can get listing, you can get guides, and you can just um, like install them and then put the shaders here, the target shader, and then you put the source shader, and then you click the replace, and boom, all those standard shades will be changed to like filamented, and then you're ready to upload it to your Quest world. Ready, easy. And then the occlusion page. So if you know occlusion, the occlusion culling, all right. Here, you got the occlusion. So when you bake the occlusions, the smallest occluder and the smallest hole is really important. And then if you like my Angel Panel Core, it can just scan your whole scene and analyze and suggest. And you type this into here, and then you click bake, and it will be the best occlusion culling info. Like it will be safe. You can choose balance or fast mode. And we have the occlusion rooms. These are the things for pro users. Like if you know what is occlusion room stands for, you will know what these things are for. Okay, and this is about the basic Angel panel and MP config. So the navigation placement, you can put them on like on the top if you like to do it like this, or bottom, or right or left, whatever. I prefer left. And the shell scaling, we have the navigation overflow and the sidebar width, the default button height, and the font size. I like to use big font because like my eyes are shit, and we can see what are installed. Okay, this is about the config. So this is the Angel Panel Core, and it's fucking free. So I will type the GitHub page and the repo page here. Here we have this repo link, and if you use VCC or Occam, it's really easy to do. You click settings, you click packages, you add repository, and then paste, add, boom, you got it. It's same on Alchem. My Alchem is Chinese, but it doesn't matter. You go to the resources, and then you click add repo, and then paste, boom, ready. And here, this is my 2D Angel VRC package. And if you manage them, you can see the Angel panel, 2D Angel shared, and the Angel panel core and the probe tools. So you have to install them all. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna talk about is the Angel probe tools. All right, here. So this what is this? What does this stand for? Really easy. Okay, so we can name a root because like for example, I can name as I like fanboy. Okay, I like fanboys. This is the root name. Use selection name. Oh, okay. I like fanboys. Okay, and then we can alright, I'm gonna delete all these things after that. Okay, the cube one props. Delete. Okay. Here. Okay. And we can choose the hierarchy mode as shared name root and zone mode and result handling and use separate handling per generator. The LPG handling. Okay. So this is the bounce expand. Usually when you want to like create something, you have to put it like 2 or 3. And then if you want to make a light probe group, you can choose the group. For example, we can set a 0.3, which is like really tight. And we can create reflection probe and light probe and box trailer scaffold. And if you have the paid light tools, it will have an extension. You can create magic light probes and VRC LV and reviews and shit. And if you choose once you choose everything up, okay, if you choose all those things and you're ready, okay, you make sure all these things are like set up, and then you can like wait. Okay, so once we choose all those things, we can like choose everything you want because like for example this and this, let's pretend this is a whole room. Okay, then generate, boom. Okay, so now what we have, I will tell, let's see. Okay, it's fucking laggy. Alright, my GPU is fucked. Okay, I'm gonna choose to light. Okay, so let's go to here. Uh, so what we just generated is here. I like fanboys. Alright, and then we can see first of all we have the reflection probe, which is like it looks like so it looks like alright, let's disable the MLP volume first. Okay, So the reflection probe looks like this. It's kind of different with yours because I have this reflection visual mode. I'm gonna close it. All right, I'm gonna close all the visuals mode. All right, let's go back to reflection probes. Okay. Here's your reflection probe, and you can see it's calculated and it's really accurate. So you can just like let's say you have a big fucking room and you want to create a a reflection probe. You can just choose, maybe you choose a floor and then you choose a ceiling and then you click generate. Boom! It will create a really nice, like a really nice reflection probe here. See, easy. Okay, so this is what the probe tools do. And uh, that's like it's a really good important thing. Okay, let's go back to window, and then it will tell you the overflow, so you can see how many probes and shits you have, and all those infos here. These are the basically the what the probe tools do. I usually put them like right here. Okay, so this is also free, which is in the repo. So if you add the repo, it will have the it's called Angel Probe Tools. Okay, and the next thing we're talking about is the light tools. So here we have everything. Like we installed Bakery, we installed MLP, and we installed VRChat. It will tell you if it's like installed or not, and it will navigate you to a lot of places, or you can just click them, and you can put them like left or right or bottom or top. All right, I prefer on the right. Okay, let's go to native. So what the native do is like it can select all lights or select all reflection probes and the light probe groups and the lighting settings. Okay. Oh, by the way, we just generated a auto light probe group, right? So it will look like this. Let me show you. Here, I like femboys. Here. So this is the light volume we generated, the VRC AV. And where are the light bulbs? Here. So the zero point 0.3 looks like this. So if you're lazy as fuck and you don't have MLP, you can just use this. Easy. All right. Let's go back to the light tools. All right. So let's go back to the angels and the lighting tools. Open. Okay. Here. Let's put in standalone again. Standalone window. Okay. So it's like everything can run like separately. Okay, here. Uh, so what you can do is select scan selections. Basically, you can just scan everything. Like we click everything up. You can scan the selections. It will lag you a bit, and after that, it will tell you like how many renders you have, how many global illuminations, and how many things are missing global illuminations. You can scan, you can select them or everything you want to do. And here we have a safety system, which we will tell you later. Okay, now let's go to reflection page. This is important as fuck. Okay, so in the reflection page, we can click the visual mode and the edit selection. And here we have a handle size. So I prefer like 4.5. All right, and then let's go to native and select all the reflection modes. Okay, boom. You can just edit the bounds without clicking the fucking what it's like the fucking button. So for example, we can expand this one. Okay, we expand this and we expand this one. So you can check them. Okay, let's go back. Let's go gizmos model. And here, see, see the bounds. The bounds are changed. Like easy change. Okay, and okay, let's Ctrl Z. So this is what the reflection can do. So this is like the best thing you're gonna own this shit. Honestly, but like for I know this one is for sale. And this one is for sale as 1,000 JPY, which is about like $5 or $6. But you have I'm pretty sure you're gonna pay this. Oh no, this is no this one this is 2,000 GPY. It's in this one. Okay, or you can buy the standalone. The standalone one is 700 GPY and it's like really cheap. So you can have this. All right. So you can just select all those bounds without any clicking, and you can like batch edit in them. It will give it all those arrows, even without the gizmos mode. So this is what the visual mode will do, and it will tell you how many selections and bounds and shit. And here you can create you can also create the probes here. So sometimes you can create a grip probe. So for example, you want to make an extremely accurate reflection. You can create grid probes, but usually we use create symbol probe. So you can in this page we can choose the probe resolution, and we can choose like 1024, and the box position and the layout. Okay, everything is about this. Like, alright, and then you can scan probes. It will tell you manage and baked how many are baked, and you can collect them to one route. So when you click, the safety will notice you, and you can just continue, and then easy are they collected. All right, so here you can review scope and open probe view. It will tell you like how many probes are you covering after you bake, and you can edit the colors of them, and here it will tell you the reflection probe status. All right, this is the reflection probe. Next, we go to bakery. Okay, so the bakery, uh, easy. So the first thing it can do is you can select all the bakery lights, all the native lights, and maybe you can scan selection. You can select like scan them, and you can convert them and disable the original Unity lights after conversion, and it will be the same info. You can like select unit lights. There are here in my project they're all bakery lights, so yeah, it will be zero. But you can just convert them with one click, and then the bakeries collect. You can collect the bakery lights, and it will warn you, and you can see what will be changed and everything. And the status scan run. It will tell you how many things are like they have to be static. Sometimes you have let's say you have a floor and it's not static. You can scan them. It will tell you this one should be static. It should be static. Then you can bake them. All right. This is what bakery can do. Let's go to volumes. So if you choose volumes, there's a visual mode. If you click visual mode, it will lock your scene view, and then you can edit selection and show detected volumes. So what we have here, let's unlock. All right, uh, let's visual mode, and let's reveal scope. All right, let's select all light probes. Okay, select all light probes, and we go to volumes here. So we can change them. Let's say let me choose all the volumes, or like all the LVs and shit. Where are they? So let's choose maybe choose probes. Select all. So you have the visual mode. It will tell you like okay, let's go to our VRCLV because I don't have VRCLV in this project. Let's go to the LV we created here. Here. Okay. So if we click visual mode, you can just edit them without clicking. So when you click this blue lights, it will edit the bound, and after then you can check the bound to see it's boom easy. So this is like the volume, and you can also change the thickness of the lines and the colors and shit. and it will tell you how many volume adjust the cells, the memories, the usage, everything here. Okay, and then we have the audit. The audit, it's like really simple. It's a big thing to, let's say if you have if you bought or you have a project from somewhere, you can choose everything and you can run the audit. All right, it's gonna stuck for a while. Okay, let's wait. Okay, run audit. Run, run. All right. Okay. Now it will tell you how many lights you have, how many are read times, how many probes, and how many global illuminations, what are mixed, what are baked, what are shadowed, what are pointed, spot, directional area, reflection probes, and the renders, everything you can check in the audit. All right, this is what audit do. So the next thing is safety. This is like the most important thing in my lighting tools. So you can revert a lot of things when you when you batch like when you're batch converting something and you did it wrong, you can all reversed by this. So the safety mode, you can choose strict or standard or fast. You can choose whatever you like and show risk prompts. And the mask history, I suggest you to 64, and the threshold can be 10. And here the whitelist tokens, you can just type everything you want after it. And then here is the safety profiles. So create reflection probes, you can just allow, and refresh is allow. But if you collect reflection probes, it will remind. And let's say when you collect bakery lights, it will remind you. But if you convert to bakery, it will warn. You can change them whatever you like. All right. These are the default things, and these are the things you can change. And this also, you can save the project profiles. It give a JSON, and you can load them every time you open a new project. And here are the safety histories. So we just collect to ALT root. It will tell you what are done, and you can revert to this. So if you do more things, let's say for example let's go to bakery, and let's go to reflection bulbs, and we create a, let's say here, let's click this and this, and we create, and it will warn you, and then we continue. So we created a group of uh, reflection probes, and but then we go to safety. We can see we created a grid probes, created 4 components, and you can revert here. Done. Boom. Easy. So the safety is so fucking useful, bro. And this is like all the things in lighting tools, and I only sell it like 2,000 JPY. I don't think it's expensive. And the last thing I'm gonna show you is the angel hierarchy. So your Unity default hierarchy looks like shit. When you want to find something, it's really hard. But here, for example, I want to find the lights. I can just choose them. It will automatically select and put them into these things. So lighting, I can see, like for example, usually when we use area lights, we will hide the mesh renderers. Okay, pane here. We usually hide the mesh renders, so we can, when we want to find it again, we have to like blah, 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 find it in the hierarchy. But here I can just click lighting and select all, so we can see the area light is here. And if you want to choose them, click spotlight mode, and then you can see the area light. You can just click, and it will like change. All right, easy. And if we so this is like the Japanese language, but you don't have to care about this. But if you click, you can select, and then you can just edit the color here. You can just edit color and intensities without editing in the inspectors. So it's like a mini inspector in your scene view. All right. So every like it will render every time if we go to a light. Like for example, we have a skylight here. We can just edit here. Boom, too easy, bro, too easy. And also, if you click the reflection in your engine panel and use the visual mode, and then we choose all the reflection probes. Okay, we have a reflection. Wait, the probes here. Select all in the group here. We can see a lot of like the probes. So first of all, we can just choose the resolution and the box precision here, and we can select it. And also, when you open the visual mode, you can just change the bounds here. Easy, bro. So they can be combined together. But if you're in a huge project, this will lag you. But you can choose like to the safety mode or the standard or the detailed mode. And then also it will group you the emissive things. Like for example, we choose emission. Okay, we see a lot of things here. And now let's say for example we want to change this cube. It's emissive. All right. It will tell you the global illumination is real time. So you can set baked here with one click. And then you can edit the colors. Alright? These are like so good for you for quick editing. The batch editings. Alright? So we go to every place. When we are close to some places, it will tell you the info. Like for example, the here we have a here we have a light table. All right, it has two emissive like emissive what is called materials. You can just edit them here. It's so fucking useful. And then for example, the mirrors. So usually the mirrors are hidden. We want to find the mirrors. We just click the mirrors, and it will highlight you. Where are the mirrors here? So you can choose the mirror here. Okay, we can choose it. And also, it will tell you where are the switch for the mirrors. Here, we can see the mirror of the switch. So it will tell you where are the hidden mirrors, and easy for your like Unity to edit all those hidden things. And as for the others, like the core, it's like automatically grouped together. You can just when you want to check something, you can just click them and find blah 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 blah. It's like way better than this shitty ass hierarchy. This is like the real hierarchy you're gonna need. You can put it right here, and then every time like you want to select some probes, click them, and you can open the visual mode. You can just batch edit them. You can right click and you can select and quick peek or whatever you want. So yeah, this is so fucking useful, bro. Uh, Okay, forgive me to saying cursors. And okay, so here, if you click the like for you click manage and a new group, you can set your custom group. Let's say you want to make a toilet. Okay, you can just name toilet, and you can pick an icon. I have some icons here. Let's say we use this, and the background color we can use black. Or no blue. Okay, we can tint the color of the toilet. Let's use a green one here, and then the preview will look like this, and then we boom create, boom, you have a toilet here. And then if you want to drag anything into the toilet, let's say let's drag these two cubes in the toilet, just do like this, and then easy select on group here, boom, easy man, so easy. And you can delete them if you don't want. Like you can manage, and you can go to the settings. These are all those things like icon size, font size, and shit. I don't want to like waste my time to speak on them because like they are too detailed, and they will save to a JSON file in your computer. So every time if you install this in different Unity projects, it will keep the same profile. All right. Okay, so these are all the things can change your bakery, can change your Unity experience. All right, remember our booth and our GitHub. So the core and the probe tools, they are totally free. You can go to the GitHub. And as for the light tools, all right, the light tools and the hierarchy here, uh, they are on the boost. This one, lighting tools, and the angel hierarchy. So if you buy them together, the mega pack is like 3,000 JPY. Let's convert 3,000 JPY to USD. All right, it's like 20 bucks, and you can use 20 bucks, and your Unity will looks like this. It will help you fucking a lot. All right, so this is To The Angel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.